Okay. So today I'm discussing on certain angles like 45 degree, 60 degree, 30 degree, 0 degree and 90 degree. That means, so we know that in trigonometry it deals with right angle triangle, and then we consider one of the acute angles. So today I'll be discussing if the acute angles are either of this. That means if the acute angle is 45, then what will be the value of sine 45, cos 45, tan 45 and so on. Similarly, if the acute angle is 60 degree, then what will be the values of sine 60, cos 60, tan 60, etc. Okay, so let's start with 45 degree. Okay, so let us suppose, let ABC be a right angled triangle, right angle at B. Okay, now angle A is 45, suppose. If angle A is 45, then angle C is also 45, because angle A plus angle B plus angle C is 180 degree, isn't it? So this is 45, this is 90, and we know sum of three angle is 180 degree. So if this is 45, this is 90, this has to be 45. Okay, agree? Now, since angle A is equal to angle C, both of them are 45 degree. So therefore, AB equal BC. So AB and BC will be equal. Let us suppose that AB equal BC equal X. So suppose this is X, this is also X. Now out of three sides of the triangle, we know two sides. If one angle is 45, then two sides are equal. So we can imagine each side to be, say, X or A or M, whatever you like. Means these two sides are equal. Now with the help of Pythagoras theorem, we can find AC, isn't it? So with the help of the Pythagoras theorem, you will be able to find AC. Yes? So AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So AC square is X square plus X square. So AC square is 2X square. So AC will be root 2X. So this becomes root 2X. Okay? So in a right triangle, if one angle is 45, then we know all the three sides. Hypotenuse is root 2X and other two sides are equal, XX. So we know three sides. Now, as soon as you know all the three sides, you can find sine. Sine is what? Opposite by hypotenuse. Your opposite side is BC and hypotenuse is AC. So you get X by root 2X. Yes, that is you are getting 1 by root 2. Okay? Then cos 45 adjacent by hypotenuse. So X by root 2X. So you get 1 by root 2. Tan 45 opposite by adjacent. That means X by X. So you get 1. Cot 45 is AB by BC. So that is also X by X. You get 1 and so on. Okay? Sec 45 root 2 by 1. Cosec 45 root 2 by 1. Root 2x by x, x get cancelled. Okay, so whatever may be the size of the triangle, if in a right triangle, if one angle is 45, then we know the values. Okay, now let's see with 60 degree. So 60 degree easiest to equilateral triangle. If you draw equilateral triangle, okay, suppose A, chalo, A, B, D is the equilateral triangle. Let A, B, D be an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. Now since this is equilateral triangle, each angle is 60 degree. So therefore, angle B is 60 degree. D is also 60. Now since it is equilateral triangle, all sides are equal. AB equal BD equal AD. Yes, let us imagine each side is 2x. So this is 2x, this is also 2x, this is also 2x. Now let AC perpendicular on BD. Let us suppose AC is perpendicular on BD. Okay. Now since ABC is equilateral triangle, ABC is an equilateral triangle and AC perpendicular BD, therefore BC is half BD. That means half 2x. So you get x. From here to here it was 2x. So this bisects. So this will be x. Now in triangle ABC, angle B is 60 degree and AB is 2x, BC is x. So in triangle ABC, out of three sides of the right triangle, because this is perpendicular, so this is 90 degree. So we know two sides. So what will be the third side? Apply Pythagoras theorem. So AC square plus BC square is equal to AB square. So AC square plus BC is x and AC is 2x. So AC square is equal to 4x square minus x square. So AC square is equal to 3x square. So AC will be root 3x. So this is root 3x. So out of this, in triangle ABC, we know all the three sides, isn't it? So if you want to go for sine 60, opposite by hypotenuse, so it will be AC by AB, so which means root 3 by 2. Go for cos 60, BC by AB, which is x by 2x, which is 1 by 2. Tan 60, opposite by adjacent, similarly you can go for cot 60, similarly you can go for cot 60, sec 60, cosec 60 and so on, isn't it? Now in the same diagram, since this is 60 degree, this is 90 degree, this angle will be 30 degree. This will be 30 degree, isn't it? Agree? So you can find sine 30 also. Sine 30 opposite by hypotenuse. So sine 30 will be what? BC by AB. That means x by 2x. So you get 1 by 2. Then cos 30. This is the angle. So this is your adjacent side. AC by AB. That means root 3 by 2. Okay, tan 30 opposite by adjacent, x by root 3x, so you get 1 by root 3. Okay, agree, na? So in this way we can derive. This derivation is there in the syllabus. They may ask, show geometrically tan 30 is 1 by root 3 or cos 60 is 1 by 2. So in that case you have to explain this and say why cos 60 is 1 by 2. Okay? Then next, let's go with 0 degree now. Now suppose this is a triangle. Suppose this is a triangle. This is your A, this is B, this is C. Okay. Now we want to have this angle should be 0 degree. Now is this 0 degree? No, it's more than 0. So if you want to make 0, still it is not 0. This angle is not 0. This angle is not 0. Now if you want to have 0 degree, then your triangle will look like this. The acute angle becomes 0. So your triangle looks like this. So that means this is your A, this is your B, this also is your C. So if one of the acute angle is 0, then adjacent side is equal with hypotenuse, and your opposite side becomes 0. There is no opposite side if the angle is 0. You're just considering if the angle is 0. Actually, it's not possible to have triangle with 0 degree, isn't it? So we are just imagining if the acute angle becomes 0, then what will happen? So adjacent side and hypotenuse will be equal and opposite side becomes 0. So if I want sine 0, it will be opposite by hypotenuse. So you can imagine this as x. So opposite side is 0, hypotenuse may be anything. So sine 0 is 0. Then cos 0, adjacent by hypotenuse. So your adjacent is x, hypotenuse is also x, so you get 1. Tan 0, opposite by adjacent. Okay, so your opposite is 0, adjacent is x, so you get 0. Okay, and so on. Alright. Similarly, if you see the angle, you want to have the angle to be 90 degree. So you want to have this angle to become 90 degree. Now obviously this is not 90. So if you want to make it 90, you have to bring it closer. You have to bring it closer. Still it is not 90. Or aage leke aao, not 90. So if you want to have 90 degree, the triangle will look like this. So this is your A, this is your B, this is your C. So if one of the acute angle is 90, then opposite side is equal to hypotenuse and adjacent side becomes 0. Okay, your opposite side and hypotenuse will become equal. Let us imagine this is x and adjacent side becomes 0. So I want sine 90. It is opposite by hypotenuse. So x, you get 1. Cos 90, adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent is 0, hypotenuse is x, so you get 0. Okay? Suppose you want cot 90. Cot 90 is what? Adjacent by opposite. So what is adjacent? 0. Opposite is what? X. So you get 0. If you want to go for tan 90, opposite by adjacent. Okay, so opposite side is what? Opposite side is x, adjacent side is 0. So anything divided by 0 is undefined. Anything divided by 0 is undefined. Okay, so these derivations, especially 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, this derivation is asked. How they ask? They will ask, show geometrically sine 60 is root 3 by 2, cos 60 is half. So in that case you have to do this way. Okay, now so you should have a chart now. 0 degree, 30 degree, 45, 60, 90. Okay, so sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. Sine 0 is 0, sine 30 is half, sine 45 1 by root 2, sine 60 root 3 by 2, sine 90 is 1. Cos 0 is 1, cos 30 root 3 by 2, cos 45 1 by root 2, cos 60 is half, cos 90 is 0. Tan 0 is 0, tan 30 is 1 by root 3, tan 45 is 1, tan 60 is root 3, tan 90 undefined. Cot 0 is undefined, cot 30 is root 3, this is 1, this is 1 by root 3, this is 0. Then sec 0 is 1, sec 30 2 by root 3, sec 45 root 2, this is 2, this is undefined. Similarly, cosec 0 is undefined, this is 2, cosec 45 root 2, and this is 2 by root 3, this is 1. Okay, so have a chart, okay. You have to remember this. Now, don't have to buy hard. Go on doing sums, automatically you will remember. Okay? The sums are not difficult. Okay? In the next video, I am showing you the sums. Alright? Okay.